Hi, I'm Angela, and how did life start on Earth? Scientists debated how life on Earth began. Most widely accepted scenario involved the geochemistry of the planet's surface. In the early universe, vast muscular clouds and dust and gas condensed to form a protostar surrounded by a protoplanet disk. This is our star, and this is the disk. Tiny dust consists of minerals along with ice stuck together to assemble the larger particle which was Earth was formed, which land, water, lakes, this may have been the environment that jump-started life. And our early atmosphere consists of nitrate, carbon dioxide with a small amount of hydrogen, water, and methane. And you see that lightning, the astral impact, and the ultraviolet light formed from the sun created hydrogen cyanide, a compound of hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen. Along with the rain in the crater lakes, the cyanide reacted with iron by the water circulating through the rocks, resulting into iron cyanide, which is a compound building up into a concentrated reactive chemicals. And you see here all this acted together created the iron cyanide. Life as we know requires RNA. Some scientists believe that RNA emerged directly from these reactive chemicals. So you see here that nucleotide is a building block for RNA, eventually formed, then joined together to make a strain of RNA. Once the RNA was made, within the tiny vessel formed a fatty acid into a membrane, creating the first protocell. They grew and divided at the same time, which replicated themselves. And so you see here how they replicated. And it also was said that the RNA was dominion in the early stage of evolution of life. Now, Miller and Urey experienced a similar research demonstrating that the most amino acid and chemical constitutes of protein using in the living organism can be synthesized from inorganic compounds under the condition that tended to replicate those of the early Earth. And this is how they did it. They put all the chemicals together with water, heated it up, and it all went into a larger thing. They used electricity, and this is how they proved that it can be replicated. And this is my reference. Thank you.